Hello future doctors, welcome to Dipenism. I am Dr. Dipen Shah and we are discussing the tricky 3 MCQ for your AIIMS exam and the topic is health and disease. So, considering the first MCQ, the assertion statement suggests that in severe cases of pneumonia, the lips and fingernails may turn grey to bluish in color. And the reason given is, in pneumonia, the alveoli gets filled with fluid leading to severe problems in respiration. So, pneumonia is specifically the infection of the lungs. And in this infection, there is definitely accumulation of fluid, which is known as consolidation and exudation of the lung alveoli. So, the alveoli gets filled with fluid, which results in severe problems in respiration. So, the exchange of gases gets compromised between the alveoli and the capillaries in the lung. Since the blood will be deficient in the oxygen content, it results in less amount of oxygen reaching to all the organs, and thus it results in bluish discoloration of lips and fingernails, which is one of the major sign and symptom observed in pneumonia. And we call this condition as in fact cyanosis, where there is bluish discoloration of the lips and fingernails. So, assertion statement is correct. The reason statement is also correct, and even reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Since assertion, reason and explanation both are correct, we are going to mark option A as the correct answer. Moving to the next MCQ. The assertion statement states that the natural killer cells are found in the blood, and the reason is these are types of lymphocytes. So, natural killer cells, which are also known as NK cells, yes, they are definitely found in the blood. Also, they are a type of lymphocytes only. They are large granular type of cells. The granules are of the lysosomes, but as such they are under the category of agranulocytes. Now, this assertion and reason statement both are correct, but why the natural killer cells are found in blood and why they are known as the NK cells, that explanation is not correct. Now, NK cells mainly produces the chemicals that is known as perforins, and these perforins create spores in the tumor cells or certain viral infected cells, and thus it destroys those pathogens. So that is why it is known as the natural killer cells. So in this MCQ, the assertion and reason statements are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation. Hence, we are marking option B as the correct answer. Moving to the next MCQ, the assertion statement states that the interferons are a type of antibodies and they are produced by body cells infected by bacteria. The reason given is interferons stimulates inflammation at site of injury. So let us first discuss about the assertion statement. Interferons are not type of antibodies. Antibodies are immunoglobulins, which are produced by the B lymphocytes through the plasma cells. But interferons are in fact the glycoproteins, which are secreted by the cells which are infected by virus and not by the bacteria. So they are not antibodies. This word is incorrect. They are glycoproteins and they are secreted by the viral infected cells, not by the cells which are infected by the bacteria. So assertion statement is incorrect. So directly we can mark that option D. But let us understand the reason also. It is given that interferons stimulate inflammation at the site of injury. Also, this is an incorrect statement, because at the site of injury, the inflammation is mainly produced by the mast cells and basophils through secretion of chemicals which are known as histamine. And histamine and also prostaglandins along with it produces the inflammatory signals of redness, swelling, pain, heat and loss of function. So here the reason statement is also incorrect. Hence, we are marking option D as the correct answer. So this we have discussed the tricky 3 MCQ for your AIIMS exam. Stay tuned for my further videos. That's all from Dipenism.